Gcash Lucky Load, a promo full mechanics dito sa ating Gcash Lucky Load.
So guys, in this video, ipapakita natin yung full mechanics itong Lucky Load. Baka ikaw na ang next winner ng 100k. Marami po kasi dito nagko-comment or nagtatanong sa mga previous video ko na regarding the mechanics. Siguro hindi pa po nila nababasa yung mechanics. So once ikaw ay nag-join dito sa Gcash Lucky Load, make sure na nabasa mo ang full mechanics. Nang sa gayon ay magkaroon ka ng ideas kung paano mag-join po dito. Try to check po natin yung full mechanics niya. So para at least mas clear po sa atin, i-double check natin. Ako nga hindi ko masyado pong kabisado tong Lucky Load. So dito, makikita natin dito yung mga play now and win up to 100,000. Play until April 25, 2022. Buy more load for higher chances of winning. So dito, i-check natin yung full mechanics niya. I-click natin tong letter I sa taas, I think information. To tap, buy load first. Buy at least 50 load to get a ticket. So pag mag-join ka dito, babay ka ng load para ikaw ay makasali. So tap natin to or skip. Skip na lang natin. And check natin kung ano yung mechanics niya. Win up to 100,000 by telco load, get a ticket for as low as 50 pesos. Eto sa baba, nakita nyo guys yung full mechanics, view full mechanics. Click mo yan, and then lalabas dito yung mga ano niya, regarding Gcash Lucky Load, G to get lucky and win bigger prizes every week. Gcash get Lucky Load. Mag-load na mag-load for a chance to win up to 100,000 from January 24 to July 31, 2022. Promo ends in 103 days, 16 hours, 55 minutes, and 9 seconds. Eto guys, eto ang promo mechanics, how to play this po. So marami po nagtatanong regarding this. So sa mga gusto pong mag-join dito sa Gcash Lucky Load, make sure na nabasa mo ang promo mechanics ng Gcash Lucky Load, how to play. For every successful buy load transaction for telco and broadband SKUS users will be awarded one ticket entry, so 50 pesos. The number of tickets will be rounded down to the nearest integer applicable. For example, if the load amount is 70 or 99, this will earn one ticket only. Upon receiving the ticket, users select 6 icons from a roster of 30 icons. So mamimili ka nga ng 6 icons. Once users have selected their 6 icon, they can submit their ticket. The period covered for playable ticket and the corresponding expiry and validity of playable tickets are shown in each gaming ticket. So pinapakita po doon sa gaming ticket yung validity ng ating mga ticket. So nag-expire din po siya. Ito ang explain pa rin natin. How to win. There will be a weekly draw to select 6 winning icon combination. All players who have at least 3 match icon in no particular order to the winning draw are eligible for the reward. So may rewards po at least 3 match icon. So prize pot will be divided equally to all users with the corresponding number of match icon. If there are 100 subscribers with 3 match icons, they will share the pot prize of 70,000 pesos. Each subscriber will win 700 pesos only. So guys, eto maraming nalilito dito. So yung prices po pala dito sa Gcash Lucky Load, once na ikaw ay nanalo, nagkaroon ka ng match combination, nagkakaroon po ng dinidivide or hinahati-hati ng Gcash sa mga nanalo, sa mga Gcash users na nag-join na meron din same match icon. So, ito nga po, sa 100 subscribers, kung ang price pot niya ay 70,000, 700 each lamang po ang matatanggap ng isang subscriber na nakakuha ng match icon. So, dito may mga draws scheduled dates po. So, ayun po yung tatandaan po natin. Hindi komot nanalo ka ng 3, ay nanalo ka na ng 70,000. I-clear po natin dito na it will be divided equally to all users with the corresponding number of match icon. So, yan po ang policy ng Gcash Lucky Load. So, sa rewards, ito nga po yung mga user with at least 3 match icon only will receive prizes with lower equivalent amounts. The prices will increase as there are more identical icons on the user's ticket. Prices per match icon, the 3 matching icon, 70,000 pot prize. Pag-4, 80,000 pot prize. Pag-5, nakuha mo 90,000 pot prize. 6 matching icon, 100,000 pot prize. This promo is open to fully verified existing and new users who purchase telco and broadband load products through buy load in the Gcash app. The minimum of 50 pesos load transaction is required to earn a ticket. Employees of MYNT, JXI, FLI are not eligible to participate. So yan guys, nakita nyo na yung mechanics niya na hindi komot nagkaroon ka ng 3 matching icons, nanalo ka agad ng 70,000 pesos. So ayan, I hope po naging clear po sa mga users yung mechanics nila, sa mga tao na nalilito regarding this promo po. Dapat po ay basahin po natin yung full mechanics nang sa gayon ay hindi po kayo malito. Magkaroon kayo ng ideas kung ano po talaga yung sinalihan nyo dito sa Gcash Lucky Load. So, I'm done with this video. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng additional information regarding Gcash Lucky Load promo na hindi po kayo talaga malito, na hindi po kayo mag-expect na nanalo na agad kayo ng 70,000, 100,000. So, dito pala ay pinagpaparti-partihan ng mga Gcash users kung ano lamang po, ilan lamang po kayo na mananalo. So, ayan. I hope nagkaroon kayo ng ideas nga po sa pag-join dito sa Gcash Lucky Load. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell para lagi po kayo updated sa mga tutorials ko dito sa YouTube. Thank you for watching guys and have a great day po. Bye!